Hey guys, it's Pat, and look at this cute, adorable, fun wreath. We're going to make it. You'll see here that we're fluffing out the wreath form. We're going to make two of these wreaths, but the forms are different for both. I've running low on supplies, and I think I'm about finished with these evergreens for a little while, so I'm not sure I'll buy any more. Now we're going to cut us up some mesh. You'll see this mesh came from the Dollar Tree. We're going to cut us up some strips. These strips are going to be a little bit shorter, probably about 15 inches or so. And then on the other form, we'll make larger ones because the forms are a little different. One needs to be a little fuller than the other. We're not going to go through the making of two. I'll just walk you through the making of this first one. Then I'll get the second one finished on my own. And we're using the stems off of the grapevine or evergreen form to twist tie the mesh bows in place. This go around, I'm only going to make one bow for each spot, but I'm leaving it loosely tied in because I am going to layer it with the opposite color once I've got everything placed and figure out where I want it. Now you'll see I'm taking the ends and putting them together and rolling it up a little bit and then just gathering it with my fingers. I'm doing that to prevent the ends of the mesh from frailing. It is Dollar Tree mesh and it frails a lot. And this will secure it inside of itself. I'll show you here in a second. Give you a better idea of what I'm talking about. See there, I put it all together and then fold it up in itself a couple of 3 times. Get it up in there good. Then do the other end. And that keeps it from getting loose and frailing all over the place. Now this little Christmas countdown that I got that at the Dollar Tree as well. I thought it would be both adorable and functional for the purpose that we're making these wreaths. These wreaths will not be for sale. They are gifts. And here I'm going to put 3 or 4 staples in there. That secures it really good. And then we'll just twist the pipe cleaners around the staples and that will help secure it. And then we just got to feed it through and tie it down. Now I put 3 twist ties on this one because it is going to be used every day to count down for Christmas. And that's going to loosen it, of course, fiddling with it every day. So I put 3 to give it a little extra secure fit. Hopefully it'll last till Christmas break anyway. That's our little counter. That string got my way more than a little bit. And I left the hanger on there. I just stapled it. I'm sure you noticed that. That way, if they want to use the countdown and not the wreath next year, they can just take it off. Now I'm going to fill in on top of the mesh bows that we've already got. Make it fuller. While we're doing that, I want to remind you guys that we are on several different social media sites. And if you're on any of the others, go find us, like us, follow us, and tell your friends about us. We're on Facebook, of course, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, and don't forget our shop. It's pedalscrapsandmore.etsy.com. You'll find a lot of variety of wreath forms and a couple of arrangements on there for sale. And if you're interested in your local, you don't want to go through that, just get in contact with me. And the prices will vary if you're going to pick up versus delivery. And there it is. Quick and easy. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, follow us on all the social media sites and visit the Etsy shop. Like I said, if you see something you like, contact me.